Day 29 and we were on the road leaving Busselton for the 3-hour trip up the coast to Yanchep National Park. There's a lot to see between Busselton and Yanchep. The first stop was at Lake Clifton. Lake Clifton has these ancient and rare living rock-like structures. They're actually built on the shoreline by microscopic organisms. The perfect lunch stop today was at one of the Mandurah Giants. This is one of 6. It is made from recycled and reclaimed wood. The local folklore suggests he is taking a rest after eating too many crabs. .7-Eleven has a reputation of having coffee that's not too bad. So, on our way through, we stopped in and got one. Beautiful bushland at Yanchep National Park. We stayed at Henry White Oval, but the best part was the people we met there. Grandma and Grandpa, also known as Joe's parents, Max and Jill, will be joining us for the rest of the trip. I did not know that koalas were not native to Western Australia, but Yanchep National Park has a few residents. This is Miffy. She was donated by the Ballarat Wildlife Park. Yanchep National Park has various landscapes. It has manicured lawns, but also wetlands and bushland, and some caves. Fortunately, there are untouched areas of the cave where you can still see stalagmites and stalactites. In the 1900s, when tours started in Crystal Caves, there was a lot of damage done. You can see evidence of where people have stood as souvenirs were taken home. One of the picturesque areas of the national park is Boomerang Gorge. You can see little dotted caves throughout, and here's where they do some adventure caving. After our 3 nights at Yanchep National Park, we are on the road again. Thank you so much for watching. Next stop, Jurien Bay and Sandy Cape Campground.